Hi guys, today we will learn how to make stir-fry udon. You can get this kind of pre-cooked udon easily in grocery store. The noodle is stick together. Simply put them in boiling water for 5 minutes and then it will loosen itself. Drain out the water and then cool down the noodle by cold water to stop the cooking process. Then set aside. Awesome! Let's prepare the sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well and then set aside. Like all the stir fry, you can cook any kind of vegetables. Just chop them into small pieces for easy stir fry. I'm using onion. You can also use any kind of meat you like, and I'm adding a small can of tuna. Just make sure you cook the meat fluently. After that, add the udon. Quickly combine the udon with other ingredients. Then add the sauce. Combine the sauce quickly with other ingredients until the sauce gets thickened. Use medium heat for the whole process. Then it is done. Super fast and easy to make. The most important is the right noodle and the sauce. Enjoy!